Hi everyone, this is a message from the Traveller Visibility Group to all traveller families. We just want to support people in keeping safe and well, both mentally and physically, during these hard and lonely times. TVG workers are here to support travellers with whatever difficulty you may be experiencing, and to put you in contact with any of the many support services that are out there. Please check our Facebook page, Cork Traveller Visibility Group, or our website, tvgcork.ie, regularly for information about supports. It's important to remember that the way we talk about coronavirus can play a part in keeping our community safe and well. Words can either create a lot of stress and blame, or help us and our families to keep calm and grounded and look for help when someone is sick without feeling shame. For example, try not to refer to people with the virus as COVID-19 cases or victims. Instead, talk about people who may have COVID-19 and don't talk about COVID-19 suspects or suspected cases. This can help to reduce fear or stigma around the virus. If we talk about people who have COVID-19 or people who are being treated for COVID-19 or people who are recovering from COVID-19, it puts the focus on the people rather than the virus. Do talk about people contracting COVID-19, but avoid saying people transmitting COVID-19 or infecting others or spreading the virus, as this puts blame on the person who is sick and spreads fear and distrust among the community. Using criminalizing or dehumanizing words creates the impression that those with the illness have done something wrong or are less human than the rest of us. Feeding stigma, lessening empathy, and discouraging people to report their symptoms and seek treatment, or even to attend test centres or self-isolate. Do stress the effectiveness of prevention and treatment measures. For most people, this is a virus that can be overcome. There are simple steps we can all take to keep ourselves and our loved ones and the most vulnerable in our community safe. Follow social distance and advice and keep 2 meters away from people who are not living in your home. Stay at home as much as possible. Stay inside and wash your hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer regularly, and especially when coming in from the outside and when you're about to go out. Please try not to dwell on the negative. Take time out from social media and the news. We need to work together to help those who are most vulnerable and safe. And remember, if you have any concerns or questions, please get in touch with us here in TVG or with any local travel organisation. Thanks, and stay safe and stay apart.
Due to the pandemic COVID-19, families are self-isolating. This can be a very stressful time. If you are going through verbal or physical abuse, the perpetrator does not have to be your husband or your partner. It can also be your son or any family member. You can contact the Traveller Visibility Group, Traveller Women's Awareness Worker, or call 087 219 1154. Stay safe, stay apart.
It is really important to keep up with your schoolwork and stay connected with your school. Enjoy some time doing activities such as reading and some art. Remember to keep safe during this time and to keep up hand washing and social distancing. And remember to keep safe.
Ask younger members of the travel community to check in on older people in your area. It can be a big help with helping parents and older people learn to download and use apps on their phones so they can video call and stay in touch with people they love. Most people use social media, so this is a good way to share stories of travellers who recovered from COVID-19. This will help take away some of the fear that comes with COVID-19 and it is important to listen to current situation in news. For example, just pick one time in the day to listen to the latest news and concentrate on that information. People are taking a lot of misinformation and this can put a lot of fear into people. Thank you for listening and take care of yourselves. Take care of each other.